Are we ready to kill some zombies? Man, hell yeah! Zombies! Damn, out of fuel. Damn. That lucky bastard. Still got nice. Great. Right on. I think we got stuck with the same thing. Yup. Man, last time I knew cheats, but now like this one doesn't work. Like for the cheats thing. I did horrible. Oh well. Horrible this time. We need more gas, that's for sure. That's for sure, right? Hell yeah. At least we made it a little bit further, right? Yeah. Pretty sure you need more gas. I don't know. How many gas do you need? Weight reduction, that's for sure. We need the engine too, so it drives faster, you know, so we can get there faster. We did it! Nice! Yeah, and you have to let off the gas, so it saves gas, so it's like, you have to time it right. You have to know what you're doing. Man, I can't do all this. Look, this is a Lambo. Holy crap, man, that's a lot of shit. That's a lot of shit, man. There's a Porsche. That's like a... What is this? A Charger, maybe? Rushmore. Mount Rushmore. Or I guess, I don't know, man. We're playing the same map, or is it different? What's different? Track your progress, alright. We got a chest, man. At least we made it that far, right? Yeah, we're close to the end. That's pretty good. So let's go get gas. And maybe get the transmission done so it's not sluggish, because we hate sluggish transmission. Yay, we did it, man. That was so close. Look at my gas. Look at my gas. No ass, no grass. Damn, that's the last one. And then we can unlock this, right? Man, this is fun, man. I forgot how fun this is, but I mean, like the other one, I remember playing... There's this game that I was playing and I forgot what it was called. I think it was like with a group of people. I think it was online. So we bought engine and transmission. So hopefully, you know, that would get us somewhere. Trying to save as much as gas as possible, but it's hard. I was close to the end, that's cool. Oh, it wasn't? Okay. I thought it was. I thought I was. Damn. I thought I was close to the end. We definitely need that. We need the gas thing. We need engine. We need wheels. That's for sure, dog. That's for sure. Whop. No! We were closer that time, too. Damn. We were closer, too. That's maximum gas, so I don't know if we can't make it here, then I guess I suck balls. I did worse than before. Alright, sounds good. I think you just have to keep playing and playing and upgrading, man. That's crazy, dude. That is crazy. This is my last time. I think hopefully we can make this time. I don't think we were making this. Nope. Yeah, we're not making this, guys. Oh, this is low. Oh, we were near the end, too. Damn. This sucks. There we go. So hopefully this time, damn, huh? A lot of people loving it. Right, guys? Come on. That Mini Cooper though. Oh man, at least we made it a little bit further, right? That's crazy. Alright, well, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe and like, tell your friends. Until next time, I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye, love you all, and stay safe out there.